Hey, this is Todd with Eating America, and today we're in Cañon City, Colorado. And I've picked out a few historic buildings on Main Street that we're going to go visit and hopefully learn a little about the history of them. We'll see you out there. So the first stop we have on our list is the Colorado Territorial Prison. Unfortunately, I had to get on this side of the wall because of the wind, but this is where it's at, and still in operation today. In fact, I have a friend that works there. Now this is the Deputy Warden's house. It's a cool old building, a lot of history here, but unfortunately it is empty. And from what I'm told, it had such damage inside that they figured it would be millions to retro it. Now, kitty corner to the prison and the Deputy Warden's house is the State Armory. And the State Armory, beautiful brick building. This is 330 Main. This is the Reynolds Bank. Here we have 510 Main Street, currently the home of classic furniture, but this was the old JC Penney building. Fremont National Bank. This is the old Skyline Theater. Here we have Palace Drugs, open and still operating. Here is the recently refurbished St. Cloud Hotel. This place is beautiful. I'm gonna walk around here and see if they'll let me inside. Interesting fact, the St. Cloud Hotel was originally built in Silver Cliff and taken apart and brought piece by piece into Cañon City. Cloud, this is the dining area. Beautiful lobby here. Awfully inviting. And you don't mind if I put you on video, do you?
No, you're fine.
Awesome. This beautiful place. We just love it here. Look at all that wood.
You guys are enjoying it.
Awesome. They're always so nice here. Well, it wouldn't be a walk downtown. We didn't show the other poorhouse. This is the poorhouse of Cañon City. I don't come here, but I heard their coffee's fantastic. Here we have the Annex, established 1903. That is the coolest old building. Right beside it, we have the F.L. Smith. We made it down to the Strathmore Hotel. .305 Main, Murray's Saloon. And like so many buildings in these towns around here, it's turned into an antique shop. Last building I'm going to tour is the clock tower. Well, I want to thank you for coming along, and hopefully made it all the way to the end of the video. If you like videos like this, stay tuned. Please like and subscribe, and come follow us when we're traveling. Thank you very much.